this video, we're going to discuss some helpful hints when you exercise when you have diabetes. Before starting an exercise program, we do recommend that you contact your physician or a healthcare professional before starting an exercise program. So the first helpful hint is to be sure to take your blood sugar. It's really important to take this. When you take your blood sugar and you notice that it's 70 to 100, you may want to eat a little bit of a snack, wait 15 minutes, and then take your blood sugar again. And if it's between 100 and 300, then it's ready to get a little bit of exercise. Now, if you take your blood sugar and your blood sugar is 300 or above, and you're taking medication by mouth, or oral medication, we usually recommend to do a little bit of exercise for about 15 minutes, then take your blood sugar again. If your blood sugar goes down, well, great. If your blood sugar goes up, then stop exercising and contact your physician. Now, if your blood sugar is 300 and you're taking insulin, we recommend that you contact your doctor immediately when your blood sugar is that high. Another helpful hint, very important, is to warm up and cool down when you exercise. Warm up just means that, for example, if you're going to exercise for about 30 minutes, you may want to exercise at a low intensity, a very easy intensity, for about 5 to 10 minutes. What that does is it gets the heart ready for doing more vigorous exercise, similar to like warming up the car. Now, cool down is just as important. The reason why is that your heart, when you're exercising, your heart is working really hard when you're exercising. And if you stop using your muscles, what happens is that normally these muscles help bring your blood back to your heart. And if you don't use your muscles, guess what? It doesn't go back to your heart as well. And that's why people feel dizzy after they exercise, if they stop suddenly. So it's really important to cool down your body. So in other words, when you go to exercise, you do it at a nice easy pace to warm up, and then at the end you cool down and again at a nice easy pace. It's important to stay hydrated. So be sure to drink water before, during, and after exercise. Before, you can even drink a little bit more water the day before. During, if you can't carry it with you, then make sure that when you stop exercise, drink some water at that point. Another important hint is to carry a fast-acting glucose. In other words, you want to carry either a candy or a lifesaver in your pocket just in case your blood sugar goes down. If you have type 2, the likelihood of that occurring is less, but it's important to have it just in case. Food is gasoline for your body. If you don't eat before you do athletic activity, you're going to peter out. So it's important to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and just make sure that you eat before you exercise. Now, it's okay to exercise after you eat, if it's a light exercise. If you're going to do more vigorous exercise, you may want to wait 15 to 30 minutes after you eat to do the exercise. Another helpful hint is to make sure you wear comfortable clothing, and that's appropriate for the right weather. You should be flexible. You should be able to move. You don't want to be jogging with a tight pair of jeans. That doesn't work. You definitely want to have nice, flexible, athletic clothing. It doesn't have to be anything special, but you want to make sure they're nice and flexible. Another hint is also to wear very supportive shoes, appropriate for the exercise that you're doing. For example, if you're going to go out for a run, we recommend using running shoes. If If you're going to go play basketball, wear basketball shoes. So how do we fit exercise in our day? Well, if you have limited time, guess what? You can find time to exercise. With just 10 to 15 minutes, you can fit some exercise during those 10 to 15 minutes. And if you do it 3 times in that day, you've exercised 45 minutes. Some examples. For example, if you're waiting at the doctor's office and your appointment's not going to occur until another 15 minutes, instead of reading a magazine, go out and take a walk around for 15 minutes. Or if you're going to go to a store and you're going to be driving to the store, park farther away so you take a longer walk. If you're at home, turn on the music, dance. If you just dance for 3 to 5 songs, guess what? You've danced for about 15 minutes. There's a lot of exercise that you can do at 10 to 15 minutes. For example, another example is commercials. If you're watching television, commercials occur all the time. Go up and do a little exercise during every commercial, and you'll be surprised in how 30 minutes can occur very quickly. It's important to do an exercise that you enjoy, and once you get into the routine, you'll find that you'll actually really enjoy it. And if you make the time, it will really help you.